Welcome this video. Rustic gardening pad. A complete guess. Rustic gardening beds are a popular choice for home gardening. How want more controlling over their soil quality better and entrance access to their plants. Whether your plants to growing vegetable hub or flower popular fit to your rustic bed. It's essential for health plants and a productive gardening. This gas week you throw everything you need to know about red and rustic gardening bed. The right away material and marks take even. Rustic gardening bed. If are divide into the detail to fit bed, it's helpful to understanding their benefit. Salt controller were not limited by the quality to your natural salt. Better during rustic bed, natural Promax, water log, lost complex. You do away on the salt, so it's stay lights, easy to of access, great for people with mobile income. How perfect not to build as much growing season. Those warm up fast in scrolling, but allow to those benefits depend on the bed performance. Step by step guess to stick gardening bed. Understanding your bed, mutual aligned your bed to determine how much material you need. A complete one size is for multiply 8 feet and depend can varies from 6 inch to 42 inch. Bed allow for a water range of plants. Formula for volume, height, weight, and depth. For example, 4 multiply 8 multiply 1.5 bed create a layout system. While you can fit your bed with soft use for long setup, save money and create reach. This appear natural solved depends and the complement over time to fit your plants. This must use root, wood, and original material at the board. Choose the right location. Choose the right salt mix. The top layout is the most important is away your plants while growing, so make sub its rich and while determinant a great general purpose salt mix. 30 common post. You can also buy premix stick bed gardening, but it trend to your more expiring add original. You can boost your salt by add warm cost great and lights boost and blend so stick keep material resting important compost tray great for impounding salt with benefit and moisture. Top for a successfully resting gardening bag. Start with a weak bring. Line the button with cardboard and newspaper to sub weak and growing far great up within the bed. This while bring down over time and add original mulch water rich layout as use board each water its light this help salt material and jump deepen. Do not use flash wood cap in plants room. Wood chip root as then break down its use theme in the lower layout. Finally touch. One your bed is fixed, plants appear a 2 by 3 inch layout.